morning right now. I just woke up. It's 30th June Sunday. Today I thought of vlogging because obviously I'm gonna upload a vlog for you guys. You guys always comment, do more vlog. Here it is, here another one for you guys. Right now I am having my juice. Today I'm gonna go somewhere, I think. Pata nahi. Let me show you guys the weather today. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not, but it's so cloudy outside. Oh my god. अभी के लिए मैं कहीं जाऊंगी. I'm gonna update you guys obviously. Right now I'm gonna go and take a shower and I'm gonna finish my juice. मेरा स्किन पहले से थोड़ा खराब रिएक्ट कर रहा है. I'm thinking of just trying out this face mask, not sponsored by the way. This is चारकोल पैक डिटॉक्सिफाई प्यूरिफाई 100% नेचुरल फेस मास्क. तो ये फेस मास्क मैं अभी यूज करूंगी. I'm gonna go and take a shower. You can use a face mask before shower, after shower, whatever. I'm just gonna go. If you're wondering why my hair is like this, I wash my hair 2 times a week. Right now I'm super late. I'm just gonna go get ready.
2 hours later.
I'm wearing this kurti. Go and have my lunch and do my makeup. That's the update till now.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what when I'm out, so try.
This is how my makeup is looking right now. I like to keep my makeup really simple and lightweight. Don't like wearing base on my face. There's nothing wrong if you wear foundation. It's like just my personal preference. So, and this is the outfit I am wearing.
Train just left this town. While I'm slowly heading back to my apartment, I'm not asking for your thoughts. I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. There's no point, 'cause we both know. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone?
So here I am having my dinner. Here we have some starter, chicken tikka paratahas, reshmi butter masala, tandoori roti, garlic naan. I'm just gonna start.
Dreaming of you.
Guys, that's it for the vlog and I'm super tired. बहुत मजा किया. It was quite nice. आप कोलकाता से हो, अगर आप कोलकाता में पहली बार आए हो, you can just visit this place. I am not a food blogger. You can just visit this place if you want to hang out. It's quite nice. वहाँ का जो खाना, it was also really nice, but the mutton and the tandoori roti was not so good. But rather than that, the chicken was really nice. Garlic naan was really nice. स्टार्टर पे जो हम लोग ने चिकन टिक्का लिया था वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. That's it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I will see you guys on my next video.